Do you need me to hold this?
Do you know how to use one of those?
Don't you just...
There we go.
Action.
I'm feeling great. I like it. I'm excited.
Excited.
I'm a little nervous.
Give me your best helicopter impersonation or sound.
Wop, 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 wop. I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm gonna be doing scheduling.
H1 program.
The V280 team.
I am a IT intern.
A supply chain management intern.
It's kind of a cool job, actually.
I'm excited to dive into it.
I just had to come to Bell.
All of our internships are a 10-week program over the summer. We have 177 Bell interns. The majority of our interns sit in our Fort Worth, Texas office, but then we also have interns in our Amarillo, Texas office, and then our Penny Flats, Tennessee office as well. Every intern is here because we need them here, and they're a pipeline into our future. You're going to be working on projects that are going to impact us for years to come.
So Bell saw me when a lot of other companies didn't. They have given me the opportunity to apply what I've learned in the classroom.
Flight isn't natural for us humans. That's something I really admire about Bell. You know, that innovation, pushing limits. I think it's really cool.
I flew myself to Bell from Philadelphia. Me and my wife flew down here.
So last year, it was really exciting. I was in flight test. So I actually got to fly in the helicopter a few times. I noticed how much y'all really care for your interns or your people.
I wanted to be a part of something like that, and that's why I chose Bell.
Am I 100% gonna be in the video? Yes? Awesome.